Hello everyone, and welcome to today's pack break. Let's dive in. We're opening a pack of Upper Deck hockey cards, looking for standout players. Let's see what we got. Alex Touch, Buffalo Sabres, strong right winger, great for Sabres fans. JT Compher, Colorado Avalanche. Ryan Reeves, New York Rangers, known for his physical play. Jamie Drysdale, Anaheim Ducks, promising young defenseman. Owen Tippett, Philadelphia Flyers. Rasmus Anderson, Calgary Flames. Mason Marchment, Florida Panthers. Oscar Lindblom, Philadelphia Flyers, inspiring player who overcame cancer.